What if I told you that the secret to becoming wealthy in the modern world doesn't start with making $1 million? It starts with making just $10. $10 a day. To most people, $10 feels like pocket change. It buys you a coffee, maybe a light lunch. But in the digital economy, $10 a day is proof of concept. If you can build a repeatable system that brings in $10 a day, you have cracked the code to making $300 a month. And if you can scale that exact same system, that $10 effortlessly transforms into $100 a day, then $500 a day. The barrier holding most people back isn't a lack of hard work, it's a lack of leverage. And in 2026, the ultimate leverage is artificial intelligence. We are living through the greatest wealth redistribution in human history. Traditional jobs are shifting, but AI-skilled individuals are thriving. In this video, I am not going to give you generic advice or tell you to fill out useless surveys. I am going to break down 3 high-value, highly scalable AI skills that you can learn for free this week, along with a step-by-step roadmap to guarantee your first $10 a day. Let's dive in. Our first high-income skill is advanced AI prompt engineering for business automation. Now, let's clear up a massive misconception. Most people think prompt engineering is just typing a sentence into ChatGPT. Because of this, business owners try using AI, get generic robotic results, and give up. They think AI can't match their brand's voice. This is where you come in. True prompt engineering is the art of giving AI a specific persona, contextual constraints, and strict output guidelines. Businesses don't need generic blog posts anymore. They need hyper-tailored email sequences, compelling ad copy, and localized social media content. Let's look at a real-world example of how you turn this into cash. Instead of prompting AI to write a post about a dental clinic, you write a structured script for the AI. Act as an elite healthcare copywriter. Analyze this specific local dental clinic's website. Draft a 3-part Instagram sequence targeting local parents focusing on pediatric dentistry, using an empathetic but professional tone, and formatted with clear bullet points and high CTR calls to action. Suddenly, the quality skyrockets. How to monetize this? Think about local businesses in your area or on Instagram. Real estate agents, gym owners, boutique cafes, or startup founders. They're desperate for content but don't have the time or technical know-how. If you offer to manage their text content calendar for just $50 a month, you only need 6 clients to secure your $300 a month. That is your baseline $10 a day, achieved by spending just a couple of hours a week using AI efficiently. The second skill is AI-driven visual asset design. We live in a visual economy. A YouTube video lives or dies by its thumbnail. An e-commerce brand succeeds or fails based on its product imagery. Historically, businesses had to hire expensive graphic designers, rent studios, and wait weeks for revisions. Today, using tools like Midjourney V6, Leonardo AI, or advanced graphic suites like Canva AI, you can generate cinematic, high-impact visuals in seconds. But remember, the money isn't in the tool itself. The money is in solving a specific visual problem for a creator or a business. Let's focus heavily on the YouTube ecosystem. Thousands of new creators enter the market every day, and seasoned creators are constantly trying to optimize their click-through rates, CTR. If you can use AI to generate expressive characters, vivid backgrounds, and dramatic lighting, you can craft thumbnails that stop a user from scrolling. The monetization strategy. Find channels in niches like finance, tech, storytelling, or motivation. Look for videos that have great content but poor thumbnails. Download their thumbnail, regenerate a stunning, hyper-engaging version using your AI visual skills, and email it to them as a free sample. When a creator sees that you have already done the work and upgraded their brand, paying you $10 to $15 per thumbnail moving forward is a no-brainer. Do just 1 thumbnail a day, and you have effortlessly hit your daily financial target. Our third skill is arguably the highest paying right now: short-form video architecture. Attention spans are shrinking. Every major platform, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, is prioritizing short-form vertical video. Because of this, every brand and creator needs an army of shorts and reels to stay relevant. But editing vertical videos manually, finding B-roll, sync matching audio, color grading, and adding dynamic subtitles takes hours. With AI tools like NVIDIA AI, CapCut's AI features, and 11 Labs for ultra-realistic voiceovers, you can build a highly professional and engaging 60-second video from scratch in under 15 minutes. You can build faceless educational channels, historical storytelling channels, or corporate brand snippets. There are two paths to making money here. Path A is the long game. You build your own theme pages using AI assets, build an audience, and monetize via affiliate marketing and sponsorships. Path B is the immediate cash game. You offer short-form repurposing as a service. You find podcasters, long-form YouTubers, or webinar hosts. You take their long 1-hour videos, run them through an AI tool to chop out the best 60-second golden nuggets, add AI animated captions, and deliver them ready to post. Agencies charge thousands of dollars for this. If you charge just $10 per edited short video and you deliver one short video a day to a single client, you hit your goal. It is truly that simple. Now, let's talk about the missing link. Why do most people fail even after knowing these skills? Because they sit around waiting for clients to magically find them on Fiverr or Upwork. If you want to guarantee your income, you must be proactive. Let's map out your exact execution strategy for the next 7 days. Days 1 to 3, the mastery phase. Pick one of the 3 skills I mentioned today. Do not try to learn all 3 at once. Spend 3 days watching tutorials and mastering the nuances of that specific AI tool. Days 4 and 5, the portfolio phase. Create 5 high-quality samples. If you chose copywriting, write 5 incredible ad scripts. If you chose visuals, design 5 elite thumbnails. This is your proof of work. Days 6 and 7, the outreach phase. Find 20 prospects on Instagram, LinkedIn, or via email every day. Do not send a boring message saying, "Hi, please hire me." Send value first. Say, "Hey, I love your brand. I noticed an area where you could increase your engagement, so I used AI to build this asset for you completely for free. If you like it, we can chat about doing this regularly." Artificial intelligence isn't going to replace humans, but humans using AI are going to replace humans who don't. Do not let the simplicity of a $10 daily goal fool you. It is the foundation of digital freedom. The tools are free, the information is right here in front of you, and the market is harvesting for talent. The only missing variable left in this equation is your willingness to take action. If you're ready to stop consuming and start executing, drop a comment below saying, "I am ready to commit to your journey." Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more practical wealth building strategies, and I will see you in the very next video. Take care.